Hey folks, this is a little video response for Diego Rodriguez. Hope I'm saying that right there, buddy. Anyway, long story short, he has an RCI-2950 that when changing his channel selector, or changing his frequency, whatever, it's jumping. It's not corresponding with the left or the right of the channel selector here. Frequency, display, frequency, knob, control, whatever. Anyway, I had about 6 hours worth of driving today, so my mind is fried right now. Long story short, I was telling him about chances are he has a bad rotary encoder, which is this control here. It's just a switch, basically, momentary on-off switch sort of thing, encoder, and it changes frequencies. You turn this up, turn it, it changes frequencies on your display. This 2950, trust me when I tell you, it's parts, it's junk, it's dead. So it's only a parts radio, so it'll never ever come back to life again. But so basically your encoder switch is like over here, and underneath all this pile of wire over here in the corner is the actual encoder switch itself. You might be able to see it right there. That piece there with the green, that's the actual encoder, and that circuit board is part of the encoder switch. So what you need is a new encoder switch for your radio. Chances are the encoder, the context encoder just did get wore out. I work with a lot of commercial equipment, and it happens quite a bit actually. Encoder switches they do give out. It's like any type of switch. It's only mechanical. They do give out. If you can still change your frequencies with your up and down button right here, then if these two buttons here adjust your frequency perfect, then you know it's your encoder. Now if your up and down switches are also jumping all over the place, well, you could have bad switches, doing little small micro switches basically, and you could also have a bad encoder again. So if you take the front off the radio, right there would be your encoder switch, and you can see there it is there. So you just have to take this out in one piece and replace it. The micro switches I was telling you about are these ones right here, right along the front. Normally they'd have a nice little click to them. This one here, her up and down buttons are actually pretty worn out. You don't have a click in them anymore. That's got a click, that's do, these don't. So long story short, if you really want to change out get these working, and you had a couple of switches here that you don't use, technically really if you wanted to, was sacrifice to other controls on the front, remove these and put them here, and then move these back to those other locations if you had to do that. Be another choice. But yeah, so hopefully that helped you a little bit. Like I say, this is a parts RCI-2950. It'll probably never ever see the light of day again. So if you need the rotary switch, I'm sure we can make some arrangements to get it to you. So there you have it. Anyways, there's the encoder switch. All the best, and 73.